Hi, my name is Fatima. I come from ظفار in the south of Oman. I'm showcasing an ancient board game called الطاب. And this board game is actually something that I inherited from my matriarchs of the family. So my grandmother, my aunt. In the summertime during Kharif, that's when we would sit and we would play between Asr and Asr prayer and Maghrib prayer. After they both passed away, I felt like I always wanted to, honor them in some way. And I also really love the game and I wanted to kind of bring it back to light and share this love that I have, these intimate moments that I used to have with my family, with the world. And that is what made me actually get into it. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna build, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna design it. To create this board game, it's not me actually working on it by myself. I've been working on it for like 8 months before it actually came out. And it took about 12 to 13 people to actually make the whole thing. It's not just a board game that's like fun to play, but it's also about what it stands for. Part of the core of my creative practice is actually cultural preservation. So I think for people to kind of play a game and then like understand and know, oh, this is coming from this part of the world, and oh, what is this part of the world? And that would be the, like knowledge and kind of spreading the culture and all of that.